number 8. Write an equation of a line that is described here. A, the line parallel to y equals negative 1/3 x plus 5 with a y-intercept of 1. Well, if we know that it is parallel, the slopes have to be the same. The slope here is m is equal to negative 1/3. So the parallel slope, m parallel, has to be the same, negative 1/3. The new line has to have a y-intercept of 1, so b is equal to 1. So that's my equation. Y equals mx plus b. We know that the m is negative 1/3 x, and the b is just a 1. And then let's do b. A line that is perpendicular to this. It says perpendicular to this. So this slope is negative 2. We want to find the perpendicular slope, m perpendicular. We have to do the opposite. So the opposite of positive is the opposite of the negative 2 here is a positive. And this is really 2 over 1. So it becomes 1 over 2. That's the reciprocal. So if the original slope is negative 2, the perpendicular slope is positive 1/2. And it goes through this point. Okay. We need to find the b value though. We know this is x and we know this is y. So we can actually plug it into the equation. Y is equal to mx plus b. We know that the m is 1/2. We know that the x here is negative 1. Right here. Look, x is equal to negative 1. Then we know, sorry, the x is negative 1. So this is negative 1 here for the x. You see? It's good that we went back and looked. And then the y here is 2 plus b, right? 2 is equal to what's 1/2 times negative 1? That's negative 1/2 plus b. You don't multiply this. You add 1/2 to both sides. Okay, that's how you get rid of it. Negative 1/2 plus 1/2 cancels. 2 plus 1/2 can be 2.5, right? Or you can say 3 over 2 is equal to b. So that's what your b value is. B is equal to 2.5 or 3 over 2. So your perpendicular equation, y perpendicular, is equal to 1/2 x plus 3 over 2. There you go.